would say it was a miracle. For me, I've been telling people it was the process of taking my natural lens out, putting an artificial lens in. The artificial lens has my prescription. It covered both my nearsightedness and my farsightedness. And as I found out that I had the start of cataracts, it also addressed that issue because I would have needed cataract surgery probably not too far down the road. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. And there was just so many benefits to a refractive lensectomy that I wanted to know more about it, because it's like I hadn't really heard that this would be an option for me. I would definitely recommend this procedure to anyone who, checks it out and says, yes, this is for me. For me, it gave me that round-the-clock vision, from the time I wake up in the morning, throughout the day, whatever activities we do, to getting up in the middle of the night. For me, if one of the grandkids sleeps over, or if you need to use the restroom in the middle of the night, your vision is there. And for some people, they're born with it and their vision is great round the clock now. But for those of us who that's not what we were dealt with, this has been the most awesome experience for me, and for that I am so grateful. Thank you to everyone at Valley Eye and Pinnacle, Dr. Brabeck especially.